Hello and welcome to my channel, Orlando International Airport. That's this stop. Aqua Sol Vacation Club provided by Hilton. This property is beautiful with all of the amenities and the comforts of home. We spent 5 days here, 2 days in this gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2-bath, full kitchen and balcony. This was very comfortable for 4 of us. I love the size of this shower. I mean, look at it. Just look at it. We later moved to the front of the property, which is our townhouses. The bedrooms are upstairs and living space and full-size kitchen is downstairs. There is a full bathroom downstairs and a closed-in patio so you can sit outside and enjoy the beautiful weather. From each of the rooms upstairs, you can access the balcony through the French doors. Really nice touch. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Until the next time, bye-bye.